Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Nissan Rogue with its key. First, understand your key fob's functions. It has buttons for locking, unlocking, and the panic alarm. Also, know where the physical key is hidden inside. This is crucial for manual entry if the fob battery dies. We'll cover how to use both the physical key and the fob for starting your vehicle. If your key fob battery is dead, you can still enter your Rogue. Locate the small release lever on the back of your key fob and slide it to pull out the hidden emergency mechanical key. Insert this key into the driver's side door lock cylinder. Turn the key to unlock the door and gain entry to your vehicle. This method ensures you are never locked out. Even with a dead key fob battery, you can start your Nissan Rogue. Once inside, place the key fob directly against the push-button ignition switch. While keeping the fob there, firmly press the brake pedal with your foot. Then, push the engine start button. The vehicle will detect the embedded chip in the key through direct contact and allow the engine to start. To avoid future issues, consider replacing your key fob battery. Many Nissan Rogue key fobs use a CR2032 coin battery. To replace it, carefully open the key fob casing, often by prying it open with a small flathead screwdriver. Remove the old battery, noting its orientation, and insert a new one with the positive side facing down or as indicated. Then, snap the fob back together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.